Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today we are going to say the important information regarding Indian imports from China. Most important items from China. Friends, Indian imports from China decreases to $16.6 billion during April-July 2020. And friends, this was informed by Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal itself. And friends, Government of India planning over 27% reduction in imports from China. And if it was step towards making India self-reliant. And friends, after 7 months of this year, India's imports from China reached $32.2 billion, that is down by 24.7% the same period compared to 2019. And friends, the most important items from China are electronic items are the most important items that India imported from China. And the list of items that import from China are electronic products and chemicals, organic chemicals, nuclear, parts of computer, cars and motorcycle parts, toys, fertilizers, mobiles, lighting, milk products, optical and medical, iron and steel. Friends, among these, the top four are very important. Electronic, organic chemicals means it comes to fertilizers and pharma chemicals, and nuclear and parts of computers. And these are the main categories where India imports from China. And friends, there are a few cons and pros for these imports. Friends, if imports drops from China, it increases the inflation in India with respective sectors, and the supply of raw material disrupted by India, which imports from China, the local production feels some effect in that areas. And pharma and electronics are the most vulnerable items which may experience huge fall in production due to the dip in the supply ingredients from China. So friends, with this government also taking utmost care on any decision which taking with the trades between India and China. So friends, with this what I am going to say is, we feel that there will be some demand decreases from China products. With these, which companies are producing consumer goods in India will take some advantage of with this. And from the world also get orders from India. That means they will take products from Indian companies. With this, we are going to see some few companies are looks attractive for manufacturing side of electronic goods and production and business marketing in India itself and global itself. Friends, with this we are going to say we pick number one company is Dixon Technologies, friends. And we done a detailed video on this. I will brief it. Dixon Technologies, which is used which manufactures white goods like refrigerators, TVs, lightings like this, and it also manufacture pharma equipments also. And friends, next company is TTK Prestige. Friends, it having every kitchen item in its portfolio of products. And friends, CG Consumers, Crompton Greaves, it's electrical and electronic goods which gives a very good portfolio in its sector. And Balaji Electrics, friends, it is also having good product portfolio on a consumer side. And next coming to Ever Ready. Friends, Everready also very good company in India, but due to some pledge of its promoter shares, decreasing its share value, but it having good future if the pledged shares will be released, and it is doing very good during COVID also. It posted good quarterly results. So friends, this is our view on consumer product manufacturing companies and which may benefit in post COVID and nearby also. And we are planning to do each individual video on these companies also, friends. So friends, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, friends, for more updates on stocks. Thank you, friends.